Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by setting safety and goals. We are making simple, non-chemical beer traps to reduce slug damage in vegetable beds. Wear nitrile gloves when handling slugs or spent bait, and wash hands afterward. Choose a biodegradable container with a 3-5-inch opening. You will bury it so the rim sits 2 inches above soil level. Pour 1 cup of inexpensive beer into each trap. Avoid strong ales that evaporate quickly. Place traps 12 to 18 inches apart near slug hotspots and check daily. To construct traps, use plastic cups or yogurt tubs with 3-5-inch openings. Poke a few drainage holes near the bottom. Dig holes so the container rim is 2 inches above soil to prevent flooding and provide easy slug entry. Fill each trap with 1 cup of beer. Low alcohol works best because slugs drown rather than rapidly ferment. Position traps 12 to 18 inches apart along plant rows and near mulch edges. Check traps daily. Empty captured slugs into a bucket and replace beer every 48. Maintain traps to stay effective and humane. Wear gloves and empty captured slugs into a bucket with soapy water for euthanasia, or, where allowed, relocate them at least 50 meters from your garden to avoid reinfestation. Clean reusable containers weekly using a 1 to 10 bleach solution, or dispose of single-use cups and replace them. Rotate placement every week to target new snail highways. Integrate beer traps with preventative measures. Install copper tape around raised beds, avoid dense mulch, and handpick at night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.